As 2024 draws to a close, it's the perfect time to look back at the gear that stood out for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Whether you're into hiking, camping, or preparing for emergencies, a reliable survival knife is an essential part of your kit. In this video, we've rounded up some of the year's top picks knives that have earned their place through outstanding craftsmanship, trusted performance, and strong feedback from users. Let's take a closer look at what makes these tools the best choices for tackling the challenges of the great outdoors. Compact yet powerful, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is the perfect everyday carry for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. With a 3.1-inch blade crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, this knife excels in cutting, slicing, and piercing tasks. Its partially serrated clip-point blade enhances versatility, making it suitable for a variety of situations. Designed for quick access, the thumb studs allow seamless one-handed operation, while the durable aluminum handle provides a secure grip. At just 7.1 inches overall and weighing 3.5 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry without compromising strength. This folding knife includes a reliable liner lock to ensure safety during use and a pocket clip for convenient everyday carry. Whether on a camping trip or navigating urban challenges, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops is a dependable tool built to perform when you need it most. The Morakniv Campanion fixed blade knife is a trusted choice for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Featuring a 4.1-inch stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional sharpness, edge retention, and resistance to rust, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from carving wood to food preparation. The high-friction handle is designed for comfort and grip, ensuring precision and safety during use, even in wet or cold conditions. Its lightweight build, at just 4.1 ounces, makes it easy to carry for camping, hiking, or bushcraft adventures. Included with the knife is a hard plastic sheath for secure storage and convenient belt attachment, ensuring accessibility during outdoor activities. With its robust construction, reliability, and ergonomic design, the Morakniv Campanion is an excellent tool for both beginners and seasoned outdoorsmen, providing performance and durability at an affordable price. The Smith & Wesson SWH RT9B tactical knife combines durability, functionality, and a sleek design for tactical and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a 4.7-inch dual-edged blade made of high-carbon stainless steel, this knife is designed for precision and strength in demanding situations. The rubberized aluminum handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions. At just 7.7 ounces, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, self-defense, or survival scenarios. This fixed-blade knife comes with a durable leather sheath, allowing for safe storage and easy access. The slim, tactical design enhances its versatility for various applications. Whether you're an adventurer, a collector, or someone in need of a reliable tool, the Smith & Wesson SWH RT9B delivers outstanding performance and quality at an excellent value. The Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. This 15-inch tactical bowie knife features a 10-inch high-carbon stainless steel blade designed for heavy-duty tasks like chopping, slicing, and batoning. Its clip-point blade ensures precision for detailed cuts, while the full-tang construction provides unmatched durability. The ergonomic rubber handle offers a secure, non-slip grip, ensuring comfort during extended use in any weather condition. This knife comes survival-ready with a fire starter for emergencies and a sharpening stone to maintain a razor-sharp edge. A durable nylon sheath with a belt loop ensures safe and easy carry. Whether you're camping, bushcrafting, or braving the wild, the Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife delivers reliability and versatility. Rugged and ready for action, it's the ultimate tool for tackling any outdoor challenge. The RoverTac Pocket Knife Multitool is an all-in-one solution for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday use. Crafted with functionality in mind, this multi-tool combines a sharp stainless steel blade with 12 additional tools, including pliers, screwdrivers, bottle openers, and more. Designed for durability, the stainless steel construction resists corrosion and wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the secure locking mechanism ensures safe operation during use. Weighing just 7.8 ounces, this multi-tool is lightweight and portable, making it a perfect companion for camping, hiking, fishing, or survival scenarios. Whether tackling tough outdoor tasks or everyday fixes, the RoverTac Pocket Knife Multi-Tool delivers versatility and reliability in a compact design, ideal for men and women alike. When elegance meets everyday practicality, you get the spring-assisted tactical pocket knife. A sleek yet rugged tool designed for all your needs, from outdoor adventures to everyday tasks. This knife features a 3.66-inch sharp stainless steel blade, delivering excellent cutting performance while resisting corrosion. The spring-assisted mechanism ensures smooth and fast one-handed opening, making it both efficient and reliable in critical moments. What sets this knife apart is its ergonomic wood handle, blending style, and comfort for a secure grip. Whether you're slicing, carving, or opening packages, the handle provides precision and ease of use. The built-in glass breaker makes it an essential tool for emergencies, while the convenient pocket clip ensures it's always within reach. Perfect for camping, survival, or as an EDC tool, this tactical pocket knife makes a thoughtful gift for any dad, husband, or adventurer. The Smith & Wesson SWMP for LBS is a versatile and reliable folding knife, perfect for tactical, survival, and everyday carry needs. With a 3.6-inch black oxide-coated stainless steel blade, it offers excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The Tonta blade design enhances its piercing capabilities, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Equipped with MAGIC technology, this knife provides a smooth and quick one-handed opening mechanism for rapid deployment. The blade securely locks into place when opened, ensuring user safety during use. The aluminum handle features a rubberized grip for enhanced comfort and control. Additional features include a glass breaker tip and a built-in safety lock, adding to its utility and reliability in emergencies. This Smith & Wesson assisted folding knife combines functionality, safety, and style in a rugged design built to perform. Upgrade your outdoor adventures with the long blade folding knife. A perfect blend of functionality, elegance, and rugged performance. Whether you're hiking, hunting, camping, or just need a reliable everyday tool, this foldable knife is built to deliver. The sharp, durable blade ensures precise cutting performance, making it ideal for a variety of tasks, from slicing rope to preparing campfire meals. Its long blade design combines efficiency with reach, so you're ready for any situation in the great outdoors. This knife stands out with its premium rosewood handle, offering a secure grip and a touch of sophistication. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and control during extended use, while the foldable construction makes it compact and easy to carry. Versatile and compatible with any standard knife sharpener, it's an excellent long-term addition to your gear. Introducing the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife, the ultimate tool for any adventurer, survivalist, or outdoor enthusiast. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, this fixed-blade knife is more than just a cutting tool, it's your all-in-one survival companion. At the heart of its design is the combo edge blade, perfect for slicing, cutting, and sawing through tough materials. But the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife doesn't stop there. It comes equipped with a fire starter and ferro rod, ensuring you can spark a flame no matter the weather. And when the wild gets tough, the integrated sharpener built right into the sheath ensures your blade stays razor sharp, ready for any challenge. Need to signal for help? The safety whistle included on the sheath has you covered. And speaking of the sheath, it's not just durable, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to keep your knife protected and your gear streamlined. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, navigating the wilderness, or preparing for the unexpected, the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is your trusted partner in every situation. Prepare for your next wilderness adventure with the Becker BK Campanion. Designed to tackle any bushcrafting challenge, this beast features a 5.5-inch blade made from tough 1095 Crowvan steel, built to withstand the toughest conditions. The factory 20-degree edge and flat grind ensure it's sharp out of the box, ready for everything from chopping wood to carving. The handle, with contoured Zytel scales, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in harsh conditions. Its 0.2 to 6-inch thick blade excels at heavy-duty tasks and is easy to sharpen when needed. The knife comes with a durable polyester sheath and belt loop, offering multiple carry options. But that's not all. The versatile design allows the BK to Campanion to be used as a spear when the situation demands. Whether you're a seasoned bushcraft enthusiast or just starting out, the Becker BK to Campanion will be your trusted tool for survival and outdoor exploration. The Mossy oak fixed-blade hunting knife is a robust and practical tool tailored for hunting, camping, and survival scenarios. With a 10-inch overall length, including a 4.5-inch blade made from high-quality stainless steel, this knife ensures excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The clip-point blade design delivers precision for tasks requiring fine control, while the full-tang construction enhances the knife's strength and durability. It is ideal for tasks like field dressing, cutting rope, or general utility purposes in outdoor settings. The handle is ergonomically designed and wrapped with a non-slip rubber coating, offering a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. The knife also comes with a durable nylon sheath, providing safe and convenient storage and transport. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a professional hunter, the Mossy oak fixed-blade hunting knife is a reliable companion that balances functionality, comfort, and ruggedness. The CIVIVI Mini Praxis folding pocket knife is a compact yet robust everyday carry tool designed for versatility and precision. Featuring a 2.98-inch blade made from durable D2 steel, this knife offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for various cutting tasks during camping, hiking, or survival adventures. Its ergonomic G10 handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, while the flipper tab and ceramic ball bearing pivot allow smooth and quick blade deployment. At just 3.17 ounces, it's lightweight and convenient to carry, with a reversible deep carry pocket clip for added portability. Combining functionality with sleek design, the Mini Praxis is perfect for men and women seeking a reliable EDC knife. Whether you're tackling outdoor challenges or everyday tasks, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis delivers sharp performance in a compact package. Introducing the NedFoss FA48 Pocket Knife, a remarkable 5-in-1 multi-tool designed for those who value preparedness and reliability. This folding knife is not just a survival essential. It's an everyday tool crafted for convenience and versatility. The NedFoss FA48 features a razor-sharp stainless steel blade, perfect for precise cutting tasks, while its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability. This knife also includes a built-in bottle opener, adding functionality for casual moments, and a seatbelt cutter, which is invaluable during emergencies. For critical rescue scenarios, the glass breaker is ready to assist, and the integrated wrench makes it handy for quick fixes and adjustments on the go. Compact and foldable, it's easy to carry wherever you need it, whether for hiking, camping, or keeping it in your car for unforeseen situations. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing its usability in any situation. Whether you're upgrading your toolkit, preparing for outdoor adventures, or looking for a thoughtful gift, the NedFoss FA48 Pocket Knife combines utility, quality, and safety in one compact design.